Okay, institutionals got in the game and bought every pullback and pumped her back up into the prior range. So that's good. I can't wait. I'll be shorting it overnight, I'm sure, on the first chance I get. So anyhow, let's go take a look at a big question that I get asked a lot of times. And wow, do we have some fantastic Q line trade setups today? Just really great setups and a lot of follow through everywhere today. I like these markets so much better than when they just grind up day after day after day with hardly any oscillations. So the first thing I'm going to cover is Tradivate. So let's go take a look at the Tradivate platform, which is now owned by NinjaTrader Group. And I see the emails going out. Apparently NinjaTrader, you know, had lots of issues and that affected many people. And we're not talking data feed issues. We're actually talking the NinjaTrader platform itself. So let's go take a look at Tradivate real quick. Okay, so this is the Tradivate platform. It's web browser based. So it's owned by NinjaTrader, and many firms are offering access to Tradivate, some with Rhythmic data, some with CQG. Apex Trader Funding offers Tradivate with Rhythmic. So if Rhythmic's having outages, it's not going to help you much if you're on Tradivate or Ninja. If you got an outage, you got an outage. TakeProfitTrader.com. Let's pull up their site real quick. So TakeProfitTrader.com does offer plans where you can get up to 3 accounts. You can get up to like 350K accounts. So let's go to the 150K account. They have 40% off pricing right now. So that's right there. Now you can get up to 3 accounts. And I would highly recommend that you select the Tradivate platform with CQG data. So CQG data feed. They even offer TradingView with CQG data. I haven't tested that yet, so I'm not going to speak about it. I'm pretty much leaving NinjaTrader in the dust. I'm just done with that platform. I'm only using it where I have to until I convert more accounts that are currently on NinjaTrader and Rhythmic over to other options. It'll probably take me another more month to get things swapped over to other options. I just want to get away from NinjaTrader once and for all. But Tradivate platform with CQG data has been exceptionally reliable. Haven't had any issues with it. So you can get up to 3 accounts, pro accounts. I'm not going to go into all the details. You got to read their rules in the knowledge base, but they do have a new Pro Plus account, which is almost just like trading your own account. If you go to the Take Profit Trader YouTube channel, they cover that, the Pro Plus account. So I like what they're doing. I think they're going in the right direction. So that's one option. The workhorse, in my opinion, is Apex Trader Funding. So what I want to cover in this is how do you do the trade copying? I'm getting lots of questions on how do you do trade copying. So let's go back to the Tradivate platform. I'll show you how easy it is to do trade copying. All you got to do, take your mouse up to a little area where it says account, and you'll see a little upward pointing triangle looking thing. You click on it, and when you've paid for multiple accounts, and you've connected your feed, you've logged in, you paid for more than one account, you have 2 or 3 accounts, Take Profit Trader, there'll be a tab down here that says like manage or manage accounts or something like that. My other web browser on my other computer where I have 3 accounts linked is not open right now, and I'm not sitting by it anyhow. I'm on my laptop. It's really easy. You just go in there and you slide from there'll be 2 columns. So you take an account and you grab it and slide it over, and then the next one. So you grab your 3 accounts and slide it from the left side of the window to the right, and then give that managed group a name and hit save. Now you're done. Then anytime you select the plus sign, it'll have an account number with the plus sign. That means when you're trading, you'll have trades going to all 3 accounts, and you'll see it down here. And in some of my videos, you'll see that I've got working orders or activity on 3 separate lines. That's when I got 3 accounts linked together. Very easy to do. It's naturally built within the Tradivate platform. That's an inherent part of the platform, so no trade copiers needed. So if you have Tradivate with Apex, I haven't tested it yet, but theoretically you should be able to have all 20 of your accounts linked together in Tradivate with Apex. Now Apex uses rhythmic feed, so I haven't tested that yet, but I would think it would work because my understanding is this is, part of the Tradivate platform. It works perfectly fine, and all the trade activity is happening simultaneously, not sequentially. The other option is to go to Apex Trader Funding if you want more accounts. You don't want just 350K accounts. That's not enough for you, or you don't care if you're on NinjaTrader or Tradivate with rhythmic feed, then that's fine. You're like, hey, I'm getting 80% off. I want 20 Apex accounts, 300K, and that's the only way I'm going to go. Okay, no problem. Let's go take a look at that next and how you do trade copying there. The good thing about Take Profit Trader and Apex, they always pay out, never had issues. Apex has paid out probably more than anybody. Heck, I would think by now Apex has probably paid out more than Top Step, maybe even. I've heard there's some good things coming down the pipe soon for Top Step, supposed to have some big announcement, or maybe it already happened. I don't trade anywhere where there's more than a one-step evaluation phase. I just don't get it why anybody would still have a two-step evaluation phase. Just makes zero sense to me. It's a complete waste of my time. Okay, so 300K accounts. NinjaTrader license is free, real time. Now, if you go and look at the platform available, and let's see, what's this? This is, here's the Tradivate. So select your Tradivate NinjaTrader plans. So if we go up here, this is, this is Rhythmic NinjaTrader plan. Go down to the next area, your Tradivate NinjaTrader plan. I guess because NinjaTrader owns Tradivate, that's why they have it listed that way. But if you want Tradivate, you got to sign up in this bottom section. If you want NinjaTrader, you got to sign up in the upper section by clicking on the Start Now buttons. And then let's go down here. I think they talk more about the platforms down below. They show you the products you can trade. So they definitely have Tradivate, but they currently only have Rhythmic Data Feed. So I would think they're probably working in the background to get CQG data. If they're not, I would be very surprised with all the outage issues over the past few months. But Tradivate is an option. So, Tradivate can also be linked to TradingView. So if you're doing your charting analytics like I do now in TradingView, you theoretically can link Tradivate and go do trading on the charts on your TradingView platform, or TradingView, I should say, charting platform, but the trade activity is getting processed out to your Tradivate trade account. So there's YouTube videos out on that people have made that are already doing that setup. I have not set that up yet. I'm gonna start tinkering around with that after the 4th of July weekend. And I'm even going to start shooting some videos. I have an automated setup that I want to turn on the TradingView platform linked to a Tradivate account for order routing. And I'm going to start shooting some videos on that. Have that in build right now. So we'll see how that works, how reliable it is from a operational standpoint. I guess I should say, let's see how reliable it all works. Okay, now the next thing is they do have a trade copier. So if I sign up for 20 accounts on Apex Trader Funding, and let's say I'm on NinjaTrader, for instance, I can trade on one NinjaTrader dome or chart. And if I use the Apex Trader trade copier, it will then copy out the trade activity to my 19 other of my 20 accounts, or maybe you got 2 accounts or 4 or 5. The key is you designate one of your accounts as the primary account that you're doing all the trading on, and then all the other accounts are connected to that. But the trade copying is sequential, not simultaneous. So let's go to tools, and they have a trade copier right here. So there's the NT8 trade copier. Now, I'm not sure yet if anybody's trading 20 Apex accounts all connected together naturally through a Tradivate sign up. I haven't really done any digging. I would think that should be available, and you'll get simultaneous order fills. So when you click an entry on the dome or chart on Tradivate, all your accounts are getting filled right away at the same time. So I use the term simultaneous. When you use the Apex Trader Funding white label version of the Replicanto trade copier, the primary trade gets filled first, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one, then the next one. So it's a sequential event. So it takes, about a second or so to eventually get all the orders filled, all the accounts, whether you're getting in or flattening out trades. So for some of you, that might be a problematic, especially if you trade automated. I didn't find it big of enough of a problem to hinder, in any way, shape, or form performance during the evaluation or other, but it's something to be aware of. So those are your two options. To verify, if you want to sign up for 20 accounts, Tradivate accounts, and you want to do it through Apex Trader Funding, you might want to send them an email and say, hey, will all 20 accounts link together in the Tradivate platform so I can have, inherent trade copying capability under the Manage Groups tab of the Tradivate platform? Is that possible? Just make sure they say yes to you before. So don't just assume that capability is there just because Take Profit Trader has it. I'm getting close to the point where everything that I currently have on NinjaTrader with Apex, I will go pass all new challenges with Tradivate, and then I'll be completely off of NinjaTrader. I'm going to try to do that in the month of July. I would theoretically like to be completely off NinjaTrader 8 by the end of July, cash out any remaining NinjaTrader 8 accounts, and have everything already transferred over 20 plus on 20 per sign up on as Tradivate accounts, 300K accounts with Apex. So there you have it. If you have any other questions, just for general interest, I'll since I got about a minute and a half left in this video, I'll point up one other interesting route to go just so it's out there, just so you know about it. Let me grab it real quick. Just to put this out there, if you have outside US-based entities like I do, my group, we have several, you can also trade on the MT5 platform through AMP Global out of their Cyprus operations. So it's out of Cyprus. You can trade futures, FX, and CFDs all on the MT5 platform. And this is big because I trade automated in MT4, and we're moving all of our automated systems in MT4 to MT5. So yeah, we'll be trading prop accounts fully automated with my Moneyball EA fully automated system that's doing fantastic off of MT4 onto MT5. And then we're also going to have some accounts at AMP Global, just trading our own accounts, with no rules, I guess you could say, or not the same rules as a prop firm, on MT5. And MT5 is the newer platform built by MetaQuotes. MT4 is 18 years old, getting old, and very likely will go non-supported into the fall, meaning they're going to let it wither away on the vine. And so I think next week already, by the end of next week, we'll already have our Moneyball EA up and running on MT5. It's a better platform for optimization and back testing, better software architecture. MT5 can take advantage of hyper-threading computer technology or chip technology. So just another thing I wanted to put out there. So if you ever have any questions on prop trading or trade copying or any of this stuff, or on how to get access to the Moneyball EA, the fully automated system, info@zonelgo.com. Have a great day.